Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'm going to explain to you the location and firing order of the cylinders in a 1.6-liter three-door Chevrolet Aveo from the years 2004 to 2008. Here we have a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To find out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the vehicle. We open the hood and look at the front of the engine. The location of the cylinders is as follows: cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, cylinder number 3, and cylinder number 4. The firing order of the cylinders is as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, that is, on the passenger side. Then cylinder number 3 fires. Next, cylinder number 4 fires, which is on the right side, on the driver's side. And finally, cylinder number 2 would fire. I want you to keep in mind that this layout is when you are standing in front of the vehicle. This would be our left and our right. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.